I tell you, that will decides the kind of the power you will radiate, manifest. See, whether it's a mud pot or gold pot, energy is same. Enlightenment, you will have it. The moment I decide, I will give the enlightenment. But if the vessel is strong, it can manifest tons of powers. Just having is not the goal. Radiating is the goal. Not just having, but radiating. The pure, raw, crude, street smart will. If you can handle your Vada, Pitta, Kapha imbalance and the hormonal gush and hormonal urge, hormonal torture with your pure, raw, crude, street smart will, not only you will have enlightenment energy, you will manifest all the powers of Sadashiva. You will manifest all the powers of Sadashiva. Your raw will's ability to withstand the hormonal gush and hormonal urge and hormonal torture and Vada, Pitta, Kapha imbalances is called Virya. Understand? Virya means the powerfulness which comes by handling, facing your Vada, Pitta, Kapha and hormonal imbalances through the raw will, just with willpower, without the help and assistance of any method, technique like Mani Mantra, Aushadha, Siddhi, Bhavana. Bhavana means attitudes. Understand? The pure will makes the vessel powerful, not only hold but to radiate enlightenment. If you just through technique made the brahmacharya possible, it is like a wooden piece reflecting the sun. But just with pure will, without any assistance of the technique, if you have mastered, that is like a mirror reflecting the sun. Mirror also holds the sun, wooden piece also holds the sun. When the wooden piece holds the sun, it is useful for whom? Nobody. Even wooden piece forgets it's holding the sun. But when the mirror holds the sun, it is useful for him and the whole world. Pure will is the mercury applied on the mirror, on the glass. Your ability to stand the dosha imbalances and the hormonal urge, gush, torture is called virya. That powerfulness is virya. There's one more beautiful technical term in this Upanishad, Pradibodha. I'll expand on it further in the further satsangs. I wanted you all to continue to have the Vakyarthasadas today on these two words, Amritatva and Virya. At least 1 week you guys should be having the Vakyarthasadas on this subject, Virya. Today I have given a very precise definitions. This satsang should be the repeat satsangs whenever there are recorded satsangs. It should be watched 2-3 times and internalized.